Hi everyone, so today we're going to talk about our ORASCAN, the next generation all-in-one sliding door sensors. So this sensor itself basically covers radar and safety for the overall technology coverage. So right now, as you can see as I walk through, radar basically covers the opening portion of the sensor, but as the door closes, we basically want the safety protection of the door itself. So we do have this portion covered as well. And in terms of opening wise, we do have this other selection of options that we can do, which is what we call the virtual push button. So right now, we already preset a virtual push button over here. As I push in, you can see that covers the opening portion as well. And then with this sensor, since we talk about all-in-one, that means that we want to cover all perspective of safety, which covers the closing of the door and also the side spacing. So right now, as we open the door again, on the side screen, if there's any object present, then it will stop the door from opening fully to prevent any damage caused to any object or pedestrian at the side of the side screen. So on top of the opening of the ORASCAN itself, we do cover the perilous crossing rejection as well. So for example, if I just walk across the door, you can see that the opening itself doesn't basically open the door itself. When I come through with a specific direction towards the door, you can see the door open without any issue.